friends, this is Sheree. How's everyone doing today? Welcome. I'm here to do a flip through of the third vintage journal. So it's the 3 out of 5 now. 2 more to go, but this is one of the older ones, or one of the oldest ones, and here's the cover. I did not add any gold to this. This is how it was, so really nice, still vibrant gold on it, and it's got an embossed kind of floral and leafy kind of embossed picture there on the front. It's got a little frame here with black lines, and came out really pretty. Got the gold, trim there, 2 signatures, and I've got that gold trim on the back too. Here's what it looks like. I've got a black seam binding closure, so 2 signatures. I got all the measurements and page number and all that kind of thing in a listing. So yeah, when you see this video, of course it will be in my shop, my eBay shop. And so let's get started. So in this one I used the original spine, as you saw right there. It says sharp arrows on it, and volume 1, and the author right there. So anyway, I kept the original, besides the original spine, I kept the original paper here on the inside and front and back cover because it looked so nice, and of course went with the book cover, really well. And it looked like something I would put in there if I was putting scrapbook paper in there. It looks like something I would pick out, so I thought it was really nice. Fabric, this fabric here is on the inside in kind of an upholstery fabric that one of the upholstery fabrics I've been using, these samples, fabric samples or upholstery samples. And I did put a front pocket and a back pocket in this one. Well, this is a library pocket, and this is actually a flashcard, or not a flashcard, actually a tag that I made into a pocket. And this one I used 2 tags and cut the bottom off of this one, and you can see the little hole there that would normally be at the top. There it is right there, and made a little pocket and sewed it together. So, and you can see the little Tim Holtz paper doll here sitting on this pretty decoration that you could write on if you wanted to, and then a tag in the pocket. And then as we start off with this first signature, scrapbook paper, coffee dye scrapbook paper covers each signature, and I added this metal butterfly here on this first page. And then there's a little decoration here. This is a Tim Holtz piece. And then as we look into this pocket, we have, this is just like a journaling card, and this is tissue paper from a sewing pattern, Butterick. And let's see, let me leave that out for a second. Fabric covered tag sewn around, and another tag made with book pages, fabrics, and a little sticker there. Piano roll paper on the back, and it's sewn around. See a little fabric topper there, and that's sewn on. And this is from a kid's dictionary or a children's dictionary. Note paper, blueberry paper. This is just regular paper. All the papers are coffee dyed. Lined paper. This is a calendar page, and I added a little pocket here from a scrap from this fabric here. I used that to make a little pocket there, and there's a tag, sunflower tag in there. So cute. I love making those little pockets, and it's sewn on, as you can see. Page from this is from the Children's Dictionary. This is a computer track page with the tracks or dot matrix. I've got a pocket here with this little collage with some Tim Holtz pieces, and this is a recipe tag. There's a recipe on it, and this is a little tag from a cookbook. You can see the cookies or biscuits being made there. Cute. Bake until golden brown, it says. And then this little booklet made from playing cards. Little piece there says, "Hello, you." And then it's got some pages in here for someone to write on. That's sewn together on my sewing machine down the side there, or the spine. This is the coffee dyed coloring book paper. Both the strings and both the signatures in the middle are tied together in a bow. This is a little pocket here. Now we're on the back half of the first signature. So let's see. In here I had a pretty tag, kind of a layered tag. This is just layers. They don't come out. It's not a pocket or anything, but a pretty plain card layered with some other pieces. And this is those little like metal stickers from Dollar Tree. That's what that is. And this is wallpaper back here. And I just happen to have, if you can see the floral kind of rosy pattern on it, I just happened to have some fabric that matched that at that time when I made this. So that turned out super cute. Oh, I've got lace on the back. I forgot about that. And a little pocket there. There's a little lace pocket on the back. So you could hide something back there. A little secret something or other. And then right here is a belly band. I believe this is a belly band. So it goes through like that, so you can stick something in there too. Let's just put the rest of these things back into the pocket. This is one of my, this was from Smokey the Bear comic book, vintage comic book, that I made some drawing cards and tags out of. And then this is a little kind of ephemera piece that you can do something with. Journaling, it can be a journaling card. And the tag here that I had in this pocket. And like I said, you can use it like a pocket, but it does go through like a belly band. Cute little piece. That is, I think both of these are Tim Holtz. And then this is the flip down photo sleeve in this one. And I have a recipe tag here. And on the back half, I have another tag back here. You can, I won't take it out right now, but I think you can see that pretty well. It's a tag back there too. So that just flips up. You can put whatever you want in it. You can put photos in there or whatever you want. So the same paper's back here in this back half. Pretty envelope here. And this is another envelope that I think was sent to me in Happy Mail. Got a pretty floral scene there, and in the pocket I have some of my homemade note papers with pretty, fun stickers on them to journal on. This is a really pretty shaped flap on here. You can see that. Very pretty. And then here a pocket with a collage. So in the pocket I have, this is an index card 4x6 with, I just covered this side with some scrap paper. So you can use this as a base. You can write on here. Use it as whatever kind of journaling card, recipe card, whatever you want. And this side you could actually use as a base and add some kind of focal point on here. Even put a photo on here. So just whatever. It's for whatever you want to do with it. And then Smokey the Bear tag. That's not Smokey the Bear, but it's from that comic book. This little guy, the Cub Scouts. It's Cub Scouts, so a Cub Scout has the wolves and the whatever and the whatever. And so this is one of the wolf characters with his Cub Scout uniform on. So cute. And here's a picture of a lady on the telephone. Old-fashioned telephone. Listening to a record player. Very vintagey picture to do something with. Oh, and then so on the front here I have a little collage, but this tag right here is a belly band. So I just have a little piece of ephemera in there you can journal with or use it to decorate something. And you can always write, on these pieces here. And that's the first signature. So here's the start of the second signature. I've got this is a Tim Holtz piece, this map, and this piece too. So I just have that little decoration there. And then a book page journaling card. And it's in this pocket. And then this is from a sewing or crochet book where I think I was saying on the last journal, I think I cut up the cover, and I think these ladies with their cute little hats were on the cover, and I made this journaling card out of it. And then this is a wallpaper little journaling card or tag. And there's our little dictionary page, children's dictionary. Primary paper. Oh goodness, sorry. I felt it coming. This is kind of a letter from a letter book, children's reading or letter book. Another type of dictionary here, like an adult dictionary. Music cover. This is scale book right there. So this is just a card, a couple of cards that I had coffee dyed. So you've got some nice cardstock there. This is the blueberry paper. And the center is a piano book page. There's the bow for the center strings. I've got a little collage right here of laces and a button. And so we're on the back half of this second signature here. A little pocket here with a wallpaper tag or a journal card. Here's a belly band made out of that same fabric that's on a spine. And some game score sheets, Bridge and Bazaar, game I've never played, but they have cute score sheets, and Taboo. And I'm going to grab a tissue. Okay. All of a sudden I had the sniffles. A little book page here from a children's book. The primary paper with an inchie. This one says honey. And children's dictionary with the airmail envelope that I've been putting in all of these, and a little piece of stationery there with some flowers on it. So great for writing. And there was two in the last one. There's one in this one. And the last pocket here, besides the library pocket, we have a little piece here that you can write on. It's got a rose on it. And this is from a vintage engagement calendar, or kind of a planner where you can write down things, but that can be used for journaling or whatever you wish. And then some pieces that I've been putting in, some punched out pieces and little solid pieces, so you can make some tags or whatever you would like to do with those. And then another book page tag with piano roll paper on the back. So cute bird on there. And then the library pocket, and this has a couple pieces in it. I did put a pretty little decoration on it, a piece of ephemera that has to do with baking. There's a cake, that's a cake there with some cake mix, it looks like. And then this is a little score sheet from a game. Not sure which one, but it's cute. And then this is an original library card. So, yep, that is the journal. So, I will show you the goodie pack. I went through my stash of paper bags and things like that. And I found this one. It looks like somebody sent me this one, maybe, because that sticker doesn't look familiar. But it looks so cute on this bag, and so I can tell it was used before. Apparently had some staples up here. So somebody might have sent me some Happy Mail in this, apparently. And so I thought it was really pretty and went well with this journal. So I used it for the goodies. And then, so in here, like I've been doing in the last couple of journals, I put kind of a roll of trim here. So if you want to, I didn't put any trims on the pages in here. And I thought if you want to, you could add your own trims, and you could coffee dye this. You could use this for tabs or tassels or clusters, whatever you want, but there's a good amount here. And then I have a couple pieces of this wide lace. This one has kind of an apricot little center, and it has some apricot thread going through it too. And this is, of course, a beautiful teal. And so we've got those two included. This is, I've been including an envelope with a few goodies in it. So this is the little envelope in this one. And it's got the stamps, original stamps, and some coffee dyed tickets in there for you to craft with. And then all the coffee dyed elements I've been putting in each one are ephemera. Coffee dyed index card, guest check. This is a time card. It's folded. And then the receipt. And it looks like I put two in here. So you got the yellow copy and the white copy in here. And then a recipe. Rose sauce. It has rosé wine in it. That might be really good. So, and that's going to be all in this little bag. And of course you can use the little envelope I used here. That's a handmade envelope. I don't know if I made it or not, but it's really cute, made from a calendar. And then this little paper bag that you get too, you can always use that in a journal in some way. So all these things are meant for you to craft with. So that is this journal. I hope you enjoyed this one and all three so far. I'm about done with the last two, number 4 and 5. So stay tuned for those flip throughs. And as we go through, keep an eye on my eBay shop, and they will be listed as I finish them. I'll go ahead and list them in my eBay shop even before I do the YouTube video, so that if someone's interested, you can go ahead and grab it. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.